I will say this.
Okay.
I know that I scared a lot of people. That I portrayed myself to be the big black guy, the big black scary guy. But truly, I'm a really sweet person, and I'm not like that. But I'm also a man. I'm a dominant male, and I'm a very intelligent man. I'm trying to help people. I open my life to the public, and this is what I got, and I hate it. But all prophets were hated. All prophets were in prison. All prophets were. I'm just showing you the signs of a prophet. Think about it.
Yep.
Pushing through. They want to crucify me. They want me dead. There's been hate around me. You can feel it. That's like any other prophet. Only me, I'm the return of the Christ. And we are in the age of Aquarius. So we are here to be awakened. So this won't turn out like people think it's going to turn out.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to turn out. This is about to turn out very differently from what people think it's going to turn out to be.
Very different. Try to go down every time.
I know that the weapon is being formed.
Mm-hmm.
It will not prosper. But I also want people to know that I also forgive my accusers. My heart is light as a feather.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in good spirits, and thank you for everybody that's supporting me. I got my back. No matter what happens, remember,
Mm-hmm.
right here, I'm with you forever. I'm in your heart.
Mm-hmm.
Pushing through.
Watch my videos. I put my videos out, for you guys to be awakened by. We got it all on the YouTube page, and
hey fam, what's going on with the crib right now?
They at the house. We gotta be out of there about 30. We gotta be out of there by the 30th.
Mm-hmm.
And they rated us like we was drug dealers.
For real.
No, for real.
They treated it like a trap house.
Look, I was gonna watch that video too. I haven't even saw it. Like I haven't even saw what actually happened. Like them coming in and all of this and that. I haven't saw none of that.
Yeah, they came in with guns pointed. But here's the thing. That's not the first time that happened to us.
Nope.
Snipers, boy.
It's like the third time. Fourth.
For me, fourth.
All that means is that we're powerful.
Yup.
We ain't even
Pushing three.
We ain't even leave the house yet.
Right.
Damn. Y'all, it's not the feds. It's not the feds. I keep telling y'all that. It's
It was not the feds.
They gotta blow it up.
That's serious. They wanted to be
This is
that
not the
big.
feds, y'all.
They don't know the difference.
This is so big.
They heard it in a rap song and think everything is the feds.
No, they thought it was the feds because SWAT.
No, I ain't gonna lie. Like people hate me. They've been hating me. I mean, that's just been my life, man.
Truth speaker.
Ever since I started speaking truth, people hated me.
Yeah.
And also, I want to say that I'm misunderstood.
Shit, I thought it was part two.
Three's in the building.
Right.
Pushing three.
Pushing three.
They done let the threes in there. Hold on, wait, we gotta use this phone time.
Keep your threes. Keep your spine straight. Keep your mind right. Stay sober, yo. Stay sober.
Of course.
Alright, pushing 3.
I'm already high off
At
here.
one point, just continue to work, continue to put the work out as you can.
Yeah, we go.
That's it. So all you can do is continue to try to work.
Pushing 3. You already know what I'm gonna be doing, my chief.
We will be at the.
Investigation is over. They have to give us some property.
Hold on, say that one more time for the people, my chief.
I said they have to give us our property back once the investigation is over.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Everything.
Man.
All they gonna do is learn, man, knowledge on it.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like,
They gonna be lit.
go ahead, investigate. You gonna elevate.
Hey, man, you was talking about this, and I wanted to know. New followers, new disciples.
The court case gonna turn into a class.
Right.
Come on, you playing.
Damn.
Nigga, pull out the PowerPoint. Might be good.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Let your Lord.
You might want to put it a little bit closer.
Low is here.
Say it again, Key.
Yeah.
Hey, let me talk to Malia.
I remember that text I sent you yesterday morning.
I'm here 3.
Oh, Queen. Can you come up a little bit for the camera?
Yes, I'm alright.
It's phone low.
Hey, real quick. No.
Miss you.
He talking to Malia.
I'm not sure, y'all. I just,
Nah, we get it. We get it.
I know.
this shit crazy.
This shit bogus. She knows she lying too. She knows she down bad. But it's alright, she
But
don't give a
I'm
shit.
in here for another reason.
Yep.
I'm trying to figure out what is the other reason I would be in here.
Talk to somebody. You sparking light somewhere.
Right.
Dark
It's
light.
something deeper than what it appears.
We in America.
Yeah, it's something beyond, oh, you just in here.
Yeah,
Right,
of course,
you gotta
yeah.
look at the deep
Nah,
meaning of it.
you are a symbol. You are a symbol, and it's
Anybody
being.
know the bond? And could anybody find out the bond on my charges?
Right, that'll be.
It.
His phone or that one?
We can look it up and seek similar charges.
Hold on.
I don't think it's posted online though. Everybody check
Yeah,
right now.
like, okay, so look, so when it came to me, it don't have nothing.
Yeah, it ain't posted yet.
It ain't ready to.
Cause don't the judge decide the bail?
Yeah, you gotta go to the magistrate.
I thought so.
Magistrate, yeah.
No, I think he'll. Okay,
You gonna buy
so I
something?
believe once he go to court, then that's once he goes
Is
see
it
a
like a
judge,
nice
then
area to
they'll
be
let
around?
y'all know whether they'll let him know whether he has bond or not.
Right.
I'm not going. They didn't put me in.
Like once he going to go to court first. He got to go see a judge first. Bond hearing. That's what it is. So that'll be
And you
probably
have a
in
phone
the
in there
morning.
too. Oh, that's
That's dope.
Shit, that'll be in a couple of hours. Cause it's 4:09 where y'all live.
it's
And it's
4:09.
3:09 where I'm at. So that'll be in
5
the
hours.
morning. Yeah, he got a couple of hours. Yeah, he's bond hearing, bail hearing. Yeah, oh, they said arraignment. Okay, so in a couple of hours.
Why they locked me up? I understand why they had to lock me up. I understand that because of the charges, the accusation. You gotta lock me up. You can't. Not with those kind of charges and accusations. You have to do somebody has to get locked up. You know what I mean? Now, as far as the bail goes, that's up to the judge and what I put. I ain't got no criminal record like that, you know what I mean? But the prosecutor might be like, oh, this is a cult leader. He's
Yeah.
when it's like,
Wow. They don't give you a bail.
huh?
They won't give you one.
Keys the saying.
Give me a bail
Yeah, okay.
because the detective said it. The detective said you get bail tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's what it's gonna be.
Yeah, when you go to court in the morning, couple of hours.
So I guess we're gonna tell you how much it is tomorrow.
We got like
Yeah,
4 minutes.
no, that'll be in a couple of hours. That'll be
You have the
today.
right bills, Bob.
That should
Yeah, we're
be-
fine.
That should be this morning. In about 5 hours or something. He should be going to court like at 8 or 9 o'clock.
You said they gonna get you in at 1, right?
That's what somebody said. I'll probably go at 1 tomorrow, but just be ready for all day. I should come up here early.
Yeah.
A little earlier.
A bit early.
Shit, okay?
That's a
Man.
whole 3.
Cause don't
Make sure
nobody
you're
want to
straight.
be locked up. I swear.
Make sure you have everything you need.
Who this solo right here?
Yeah, we all right here. The whole family right here.
What up? Hey, so I know this might be a process for Nature Boy,
Mm-hmm.
but just in case anybody want to send a donation, put it in the comments real fast, fam.
All right, bet.
It's the 3
If you want to send a donation,
THC.
it's in the comments, y'all.
He didn't ask no specific person, y'all. Listen, if the shoe fit, if the shoe don't fit, don't wear it. He didn't point out certain people. No, bitch, you shut up. He didn't point out no certain people. Damn.
I don't even see it. Just put
Right.
Put
If
dollar,
you do, you do. If you don't, you don't.
put dollar sign in the
3?
comments.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal, y'all. Calm down.
I'm right here.
Damn.
That's from the bathroom.
Joker? Yes. Yes. Pyramid.
Girl.
Yeah. Yeah. I know you're getting out tomorrow. So.
And even if I don't, we gonna round it out.
Yeah, we gonna
Listen,
be
three.
we gonna
Listen,
be we gonna be outside that jailhouse
Okay,
every day.
thank
They gonna be
you,
annoyed of
Charnay.
us. Talking about some three.
3.
God.
Continue to move forward.
Of course.
Mama Aya right here. Mama Sheba right here. The sheriff's right here.
How y'all doing? Let me hear your voice.
I'm doing good.
Fine, wonderful.
I can't hear nothing.
Fine.
All right, here we good. Keeping the 3.
Hey, so they
What's
never
your
locked
topic?
none of y'all up. They didn't take y'all for questioning.
Yeah, they detained us.
He want to hear your voice.
Just
Puppy, you
detained.
there?
I'm here, man.
Okay. We miss you. We miss you.
Which place?
Right here.
Somewhere high.
Right,
You
he
know
in the
he's somewhere
goddamn
high.
Right
He
here.
ducked off.
He's somewhere high.
I'm right here.
Oh, he going? Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's not the lot.
Oh, my
You
fault.
talk over here.
Go that way.
That boy.
Go
That.
that way.
Yeah, I'm right here, my chief. Hold the phone.
So this is where I was struggling in my body.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
This is what antennas on point.
Something special's about to
happen. Something special's
about to
happen. We feel it. We feel it. We feel it. Ooh. You don't supposed to do it one time.
Right? Yeah, buddy.
Mm.
This is literally just a
One
catastrophe.
thing I can say, goddamn it, look, they gon' ride.
Oh, y'all ain't noticed that after 4 years? What the hell? You think?
Look,
She
Said we gonna ride.
they gon' ride.
She talking about one thing she know about us. We gonna ride. Yeah, of course. Y'all ain't figured it out yet.
Yeah, we unity over here.
I'm pretty sure they know that.
That's why these moments happen.
Right. To show y'all, damn, these niggas still ain't going nowhere. Damn. They just mad cause they ain't got no family. You could just join ours. Stop hating because,
Say true.
huh?
Whatever you do, don't become numb.
Oh, of course, yeah, of course.
Whatever you do, don't become them.
Yeah, I still love you. I'm gonna tell you how I feel though.
Stand up.
I know, I just got a little twang to it.
I'm gonna tell you how I feel. I still love you. I still forgive you and all that. You can't stay here though.
Yeah, just be
Damn.
I can't hear you. Why the phone so low?
No, I'm here.
Oh, okay, yeah, now I can hear you. You had went low for a
You
little
should
bit.
just be.
You sure? Just be some. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
That's what he said.
Man, I hope y'all
He said just be something. I don't know what
like
he
You said just be what? You said just be what, my chief? Just be what now?
Don't let them people get you upset.
Oh, I'm not upset.
That's a 3.
I am not upset.
I realize I'm scared of a lot of people.
They scared.
Yeah, I'm scared of a lot of people with my ego.
They don't know how to process it.
Oh, and let me say this while they right here. For the people who keep saying this damn human trafficking didn't have nothing to do with this. Let me just go on and clear that up. Shit.
Oh, what you going? Okay. Yeah, we'll be out there soon.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I was just always online. That's why I seen
Some people with you.
Check WhatsApp with me.
You can start social media now. Let people take that on.
Yeah.
Yep. You're gonna have to call back in a second anyway.
You can save on social media.
Okay. All right, bye-bye, Instagram.
Bye-bye.
That's
IG.
enough.
Bye-bye, Beagle.
Send your support.
Bye-bye.
Send your support.
Y'all can put that Cash App in the lottery and